Alright, here's another episode of Gardner Automotive Ridiculous Shop Projects. So here's our overhead gantry and whatnot. And our Drott 4-into-1 bucket here that requires a lot of welding. So these areas here where these original shanks were on here were bolt on, and they didn't have removable teeth. They're garbage. So here I guess maybe they welded a frog on here. I don't know what they were doing. Maybe they worked around the shank. They didn't want to unbolt it, so there's no weldment along here. So what I'm doing here is taking 6010 and fusing these two together, nasty rusty, and then building them up here with 7014 because I didn't feel like dealing with that stupid asshole finicky 7018. So anyway, when you fit the shank in here, you can see how this build up here is going to be a lot better to weld along here, not have such a big gap in there. Okay, and then these are removable teeth. Where's my teeth at? Okay, so you have a twin tiger. Wah! And then you have a regular tiger tooth. Wah! Alright, so I'm getting fired up about it. So I got to build this one. This one I think I got, yeah. Oh, this one. I got to keep working on this one. And then get these two grubsters. And then flip it upside down with my rigging. Try not to crush myself. And then that's that. So these are kind of give you an idea what kind of jobs we get into around here. Not for the faint of heart. Okay, out.